What tricks, Kian? You're weird.
In the car.
Get in the car, stop stalling.
Kontrabida, kontrabido.
Shine. Okay, look.
Oh, diba? Oh, what?
You're weird.
Oh, what is that?
Okay. It's a ring. It's an earring.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Then
Okay.
she's gonna hide at the back of her finger. I'm used to this.
In your hair. Oh, you put it over here in your hair. Oh, where is it? Ay, no.
You took off both your earrings. You dropped it.
No,
it's a good magic It's not a magic trick. You put one earring in your mouth under your tongue, and then you have the other one in your head, and you drop it to make it seem like you just like threw it, and it's now.
Kapag kami mga J restaurant, di na amo nila kay ko dati imbado ko. Kita tayo reaction na. Are we going to eat lunch?
Yes, baby. Let's go eat.
Dati abray. Kita tayo di reaction nila kay ko. Yeah.
Since these children, we've got to feed them.
Why did you bring rice?
It's my surprise.
No, it's not. You just bring rice. No way that you just bring rice.
Wait, don't take a video. Don't take a video. Now you understand.
No,
now.
I took a picture. I'm sending it to my friend.
Huh?
Now you understand.
Yeah,
now.
now I know why.
And mustard.
Huh?
Nabanglisa pa eh.
Can't believe it.
Ay? Nabanglis. Okay na namin. Can't you believe that?
I can't believe you actually bring rice to there.
Because they don't have a rice here, right?
They do.
They don't.
They do.
They don't.
They do.
They don't.
Oh, some. Here and
They don't. Nabanglis ngayon na po, yukin na na. Our man diet and tomorrow is another diet.
how many times have you said that? This week you've said it.
Tomorrow na lang.
And then tomorrow will be another tomorrow. And then tomorrow will be another tomorrow. And then tomorrow before that.
When we're out,
Look at the filter though.
when we're out, you are the sweet girl. You're this nice kid. When we're in the house, you're like the devil, Tasmanian devil
She just
whirlwind
like
of a kid.
me. Because
Yeah, exactly. See?
We are
See?
fake.
Yeah, see? I got it from her. I got it from her. I got it from her.
Light camera action and then
Yeah, I got it from her.
if it's off the camera, light camera on. Very sweet, oh. Kayla and my husband, on and off the camera is still the same. Nonsense, boring. Ranking restaurant.
I'm done with this.
As the restaurant ranking me loves. No
Oh, wait,
pork.
no, I'm not supposed to do
No pork. I'm doing Filipino way. Right, Ken?
Whatever.
I'm sending the picture of my food to my friend that always gets Wingstop.
My picture?
My friend.
I'm surprised you didn't break out the rice and the old palm leaves wrapped up in palm leaves, you know? You know how Filipinos go.
I can. Kinamit, oh. Oh. You say it again, Lance?
You're on diet? I thought you were on diet. Why are you bringing rice to a restaurant if you're on a diet?
I'm going to diet tomorrow.
She said tomorrow's another diet for like the 100th time.
No reaction, Kayla?
I'm surprised you don't know that, Dad. I'm surprised you don't know that. You should be used to this by now. Hey, you want my phone?
Oh.
You're gonna high five. You're gonna high five.
I'm dirty also.
Yeah, what, right? You're gonna high five.
You want rice?
No.
I order 5 because I have rice. I need to finish this. You want rice?
Yeah, but I didn't want to seem ungrateful. I was just underestimating. Like the person I am, as always.
Everything's tasting good.
She saw me? She saw me?
Do you have a channel or something?
No, it's okay.
She does.
She does? That's cool. That's actually
I feel shy now. no, I feel shy. Aina, put that in a box and refill to the dustbin.
No.
There's bones in it.
Alright, 2 days later, he's dead. That's all your fault.
Nagpasan, nagsugat. Ito na bigat, alatag tayo din na yan. Thank you for watching. Burp, so loud.